Hello my dear students, welcome to online accountancy class. In this session we are going to consider on revision chapter, that is fundamental of partnership, and today our topic is calculation of profit under different slab, like the divisible profit or distributable profit is distributed among the partner under different slab, like first few amount under capital ratio, another few amount profit sharing ratio, another few amount equal ratio. So that type of problem actually came in a particular year. We have already done at the time of first time when we did this chapter. Now this is our problem here. There are three partners, A, B, C, and their profit sharing ratio also provided, capital also provided, and some other agreement also is there. So this is the problem here. A, B, C are partner, and their capital 80,000, 80,000, 40,000. Their current account balance also there here. A has 10,000, B 5,000, and C debit balance. C has a debit balance. So it does mean A and B has a credit balance. According to the partnership deed, partner were entitled to interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. So this is the capital. So you have to calculate interest on that amount, 80,000, 80,000, and 40,000. So 5% if you calculate here, 4,000, 4,000, and 2,000. So total 10,000 coming their interest on capital if you calculate. She is being a working partner and was also entitled to a salary rupees 6,000 per annum. Per annum provided, no need to multiply by 12. So it is also another appropriation item which will decrease the share of profit. So PL appropriation account debit to C's salary account. Now here these two are actually expenditure on behalf of the partnership firm. One that is interest on capital, another the partner's salary. Now the profit were to be divided among the partner under different slab. First slab is that first 20,000 is the proportion to their capital. So this is the capital, 80, 80, and 40. So if you calculate here, 2:2:1 is coming here. So first 20,000 are to be distributed in the ratio 2:2:1. Next 30,000, that is divisible profit. Like after charging interest on capital, partner's salary, from this total profit 1,56,000, that is undistributed profit, that is net profit. So out of that 1,56,000, first 10,000 interest on capital as well as 6,000 salary you have to deduct. So 10 plus 6, 16,000 you have to deduct. So remaining profit what is there, that will be distributed. First 20,000 on the capital ratio, that is 2:2:1. Remaining 30,000 in that ratio, 5:3:2. So 20 plus 30, 50 gone out of the divisible profit. If divisible profit was 1,40,000, so remaining 90,000 divided equally. So three partner, if we divide equally, there is 30,000 coming here. So simple way. Now here the instruction is that prepare profit and loss appropriation account and pass necessary journal entry for appropriation of profit. Like the distribution part, we have to pass the journal entry, not all the journal entry, only journal entry related to appropriation of profit. Now as it is current account balance are provided, so it has been understood that we have to apply fixed capital method. There are two methods, one fluctuating, another fixed. So when current account balance provided, if not mention anything, then it is easy to understand that we have to apply fixed capital method. So this is our solution. First of all, that is related to profit by profit and loss account, net profit 1,56,000 which was provided. Again, interest on capital 80,000, 80,000, 40,000, and 5% thereupon. So coming 4,000, 4,000, 2,000. The total interest on capital it is 10,000. Here it is transferred to current. To interest on capital within bracket transferred to current account. Says current account within bracket salary, that is 6,000. It is per annum provided. So 1,56,000 minus 16,000, coming 1,40,000. So that 1,40,000 it will be distributed under different slab here. Already have shown first slab 20,000 in that ratio capital, second slab 30,000 in that ratio, and remaining profit equally. So now we have to see the working here, that 1,40,000, how it is distributed. Yes, 20,000 in the capital ratio. So 80,000, 80,000, 40,000. If you calculate the ratio, it is coming 2:1. So 20,000 into 2 by 5, it will get A. It is coming 20,000 into 2 by 5, it is 8,000. B also same, 8,000, and C it is 4,000 coming. So first phase, first slab profit goes to A 8,000, B 8,000, C 4,000. Next, another ceiling, that is ceiling of profit or slab of profit, that is 30,000 in that ratio, 5:3:2. It is already given. In that ratio you have to distribute. So 30,000 into 5 by 10, 30,000 into 3 by 10, 30,000 into 2 by 10. So 5 by 10, that is half, 15,000 came. 3 by 10, that is 9,000, and 2 by 10, that is 6,000. So in that ratio, like amount goes to A, B, C, and balance like 1,40,000 minus 50, that is 90,000 balance. So that balance it is equally 30, 30, 30. Now first phase, second phase, third phase, or first slab, second slab, third slab, total profit is coming 53,000 to A, 47,000 of B, and C, that is 40,000. So that one we have to transfer here, that is to profit transfer to respective current account. A's current account 53, B 47, and C 40,000. Now that purposes one journality is required to pass. We have to raise profit and loss appropriation account to partners current account A, B, and C, that is appropriation of profit. So regarding that, this is the entry here. Profit and loss appropriation account debit 1,40,000 to A's current account 53, to B's current account 47, to C's current account. So this is a simple one problem. Just you have to understand that how we'll calculate the total profit. In general situation like profit, we distribute only under one ratio. At that time, no need to do these other working. Just 1,40,000 in their profit sharing ratio you can distribute. But here in this situation, here this profit we have to distribute like under different slab. First slab 20, second slab 30, remaining slab how much left, that is 90. First slab 2:2:1, second slab 5:3:2, third one equal. So like that with the help of one working we can complete. So this is the solution of this problem, and we consider the profit under different slab. I think so this will help to the learner, and this type of problem you can come. Thank you. We are going to conclude this session. Okay.